Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about opposite words. So let's start the video. W E A K weak. S T R O N G strong. F A S T fast. S L O W slow. S T A R T start. F I N I S H finish. D A R K dark. L I G H T light. O L D old. Y O U N G young. L E F T left. R I G S T right. T S I S this. T H A T that. K I N D kind. C R U E L cruel. H I G H high. L O W low. M A N Y many. F E W few.